So this question came in on our chat on our website, and the person was asking, hey, all right, let's say that we get pulled over. The car does not have a legal tint or anything like that, so you can kind of like see in the vehicle. And the driver rolls down his window ever so slightly. You know, some drivers will play that game. And the officer gets a little perturbed and says, you know what, since you're going to act like that, get out of the car. Well, we know that cops can get you out of the car as a matter of routine in most states, right? Why? Because the Supreme Court has said that it's really de minimis. It's so minimal upon your intrusion that you've already been seized. So really, is it that much more intrusive just to tell you to get out of the car? That's their viewpoint on it. So they get you out of the car. But here's the question. Okay, fine. You have to get out of the car. But can you lock your car behind you, right? Absolutely. The answer is absolutely. The officer can't do anything about that. They cannot prevent you from locking your door. And if the officer is going to get into that car, they would have to have either your consent. They would have to have a recognized exception, like there's you're armed and dangerous and there could be a weapon in that vehicle. They could then open up your car and search those areas where you have access, where you can access a weapon, or they would need probable cause, right? Generally speaking, there may be some other ways into the car, but that's the three main ways. And if they don't have that, then you can lock your car. Is it a factor that the courts might consider as part of reasonable suspicion? Maybe. It is kind of odd to do all this, to act like this. You know, it's not typical. It's not illegal. But it's something that the cop could consider in the totality of circumstances about whether or not the person is armed and dangerous. Certainly, these facts alone would not dictate a pat down or a vehicle search for weapons, but there are factors. So keep that in mind. But that answers the question. There's certainly no prohibition on it.